What if I told you that by 2035, the world's most powerful AI might not come from Silicon Valley, but from China? The United States and China are investing billions of dollars to dominate the future of artificial intelligence. But this isn't just a technology race. It's a battle for global leadership, economic power, and the future of innovation. The United States leads the world with breakthrough AI research, powerful chips, and some of the most innovative technology companies on Earth. Companies like OpenAI, Google, Microsoft, NVIDIA, and Meta continue to push the boundaries of artificial intelligence. Meanwhile, China is advancing at an incredible pace, investing billions in artificial intelligence, robotics, and smart. China is scaling AI faster than ever, building intelligent factories and deploying robots at an incredible pace. From smart cities to autonomous transportation, China is turning AI into everyday life at an incredible speed. But building powerful AI takes more than smart software. It also requires massive computing power and advanced AI chips. Right now, the United States leads in designing the world's most advanced AI chips, powering the next generation of artificial intelligence. China, however, is investing billions to build powerful AI supercomputers and expand its computing infrastructure at an unprecedented scale. The United States leads in AI innovation, while China excels at rapidly scaling and deploying AI technologies across entire industries. The future of artificial intelligence won't be decided by a single invention, but by talent, investment, computing power, and global innovation. This competition is not just about building smarter AI. It's about shaping the future of the global economy and technological leadership. The real winner won't be the country with the most robots, but the one that transforms AI into everyday life the fastest. By 2035, AI could reshape every industry, from healthcare and education to transportation. And experts believe the AI race will be defined by innovation, investment, and the ability to turn ideas into real-world. The AI race is far from over, and every breakthrough could change the balance of global technology. The question is no longer whether AI will change the world, but which nation will lead that transformation. So who do you think will lead the AI revolution by 2035? The United States or China? Share your thoughts below. Artificial intelligence is no longer limited to Earth. It is becoming a key technology for the future of space exploration. AI is transforming how satellites are built, how spacecraft are operated, and how future missions are planned. Whichever nation combines AI, robotics, and space technology most effectively could shape the future of human civilization. The next breakthrough may come from quantum computing, where AI could solve problems that today's supercomputers cannot. AI is transforming how satellites are built, how spacecraft are operated, and how future missions are planned. The next great AI competition may not happen on Earth, but on the moon and beyond. Whichever nation combines AI, robotics, and space technology most effectively, the future of human civilization. The next great AI competition may not happen on Earth, but on the moon and beyond. The next great AI competition may not happen on Earth, but on the moon and beyond. Beyond competition, artificial intelligence is transforming healthcare by helping doctors diagnose diseases faster and perform less. The country that combines AI with manufacturing at the largest scale could gain a major economic advantage. As AI becomes more powerful, cybersecurity will become one of the most important battles of the digital age. AI is redefining transportation, making travel safer, faster, and more efficient than ever before. The AI race has only just begun. The nation that innovates faster, adapts smarter, and invests wisely, what do you think? Will the United States or China lead the AI revolution? Share your opinion in the comments. The future is arriving faster than ever. Stay with us as we explore the technologies that will shape tomorrow. Artificial intelligence is evolving every single day, and the next breakthrough could change the world overnight. The future of AI isn't just about one country. It's about how innovation improves everyday life for people around the world. The AI revolution has already begun, and the choices we make today will shape the world of tomorrow. The future isn't waiting. It's being built right now, and artificial intelligence is leading the way. The AI race is only the beginning. The next decade will redefine technology, business, and everyday life. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more amazing AI and future technology stories. I'll see you in the next one.